day, I made $100,000 in one single trade. As you guys can see, it's a very simple trade, very simple setup. It's the same thing I'm always doing. As there's a couple things we're looking at. The first thing we're looking at is the clean traffic. Now what I mean by that, if you actually take a look in this area here, we have a clean break to the downside. Now when we see clean breaks like this and we see price start to reverse, a lot of times, it will correct itself and have a clean break back to the upside, back to where those previous highs kind of started. So these are the previous highs over here. We're now coming back into that zone. So I have Confluence saying we're gonna have clean traffic to the upside. That's not why I'm gonna take my trade. I'm not just gonna say, oh, there's probably gonna be clean traffic, let's take a buy. That's not what I'm doing. But instead what I'm doing is I'm looking for a breakout. Now breakout's very simple. We have resistance, and as you guys can see in this case in particular, we do have resistance right here, but we also have a trend line forming to the upside. That's three confluences. We have the clean traffic from the previous market structure. We now have resistance, which we're breaking out of, and now we have that clean trend line, which is showing us we're going back into a bullish direction. As soon as I see that breakout, like on this very strong bullish candle here, and as it comes up, I'm gonna take my buy position. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna have a tight stop loss like I did here. I'm gonna aim for at least a 1 to 4 risk to reward. That's all I did. Now I want you guys to remember, on this account in particular, I'm only trading probably once, maybe twice per few weeks. This is a large account. It's $1 million account, and I've been trading it slowly. So I'm only taking trades that I'm very confident in, such as this one here.